Want to keep PDFsam Basic up to date with the latest features and bug fixes? Updating the application helps improve performance, compatibility, and security. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, open PDFsam Basic. Then open the Help or About section to see which version is currently installed on your computer. This makes it easy to compare your version with the latest release. Next, click the website link and visit the official PDFsam download page. The website always provides the latest version for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Downloading updates from the official source helps ensure you get a safe and genuine installer. Download the installer that matches your operating system. Recent releases include performance improvements, better compatibility with modern PDF files, and bug fixes. Yeah, the download usually finishes within just a few moments. Once the installer has finished downloading, open it and follow the setup wizard. In most cases, the installer updates your existing copy of PDFsam Basic while keeping your settings. If prompted, allow the installer to make changes to your device. After the installation is complete, launch PDFsam Basic again. The updated version should now be ready to use. You can return to the About section to verify that the version number has changed. Finally, try one of the built-in tools, such as Split or Merge, to confirm everything is working properly after the update. So you're now running the latest version of PDFsam Basic with the newest improvements and fixes. And that's how to update PDFsam Basic. Keeping the software up to date gives you the latest features, improved stability, and better support for modern PDF files. I mean, checking for updates every once in a while is a simple habit that can prevent a lot of issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.